Times are tough for a lot of people right now, so I thought I'd challenge myself to create a Thanksgiving dinner on a budget. In this video, I'll show you everything I got to make a traditional turkey meal for under $20. I went to two different stores to get all of the groceries, Food Lion and Walmart. If you're in the States, then you can probably pick up these exact same items for around the same cost. The menu for this meal is simple: turkey and mashed potatoes with stuffing, gravy, vegetables, roasted sweet potatoes, and some pie for dessert. Believe it or not, this will all come together with enough for leftovers. Now, if you're lucky to find a grocery store that has really cheap whole turkey, go that route. But if not, get these turkey tenderloins. Each package contains 2 pieces of turkey tenderloin, and it's plenty to feed 4. We'll start out by prepping the sweet potatoes because they can roast at the same time and temperature as the turkey. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and slice the sweet potato into small chunks. Lay them out on a foil-lined pan and just season them however you'd like. I went savory with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. I like to keep things simple when roasting vegetables. Go ahead and pop these in the oven and set the timer for an hour. Next, I made a compound butter to put on top of the turkey as it roasted. The turkey tenderloins are already brined, so I'm using garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and a little bit of dried parsley. Add it to half a stick of softened butter and then spread the compound butter on top of the turkey as it cooks. You'll be roasting it for 60 to 70 minutes, so this will help keep the turkey moist and flavorful. About halfway through the cooking time, I opened up the oven and basted the turkey with the melted butter. I also flipped over the sweet potato slices so they would get evenly browned on both sides. This is a very simple way to roast turkey and sweet potatoes at the same time. If you wanted to try a different vegetable, then regular potatoes, broccoli, or even cauliflower would work. While the turkey is cooking, go ahead and make your stuffing and mashed potatoes according to the directions on the package. It's very simple. You basically just boil water, add butter if it calls for it, and open up the packet. Repeat the same process for the potatoes and get your frozen vegetables in the microwave. I know it's not the most beautiful presentation, but remember, we're doing this on a budget. Instant mashed potatoes are simply dehydrated potatoes, and they're surprisingly good. Best of all, this meal comes together in about an hour and a half. The final steps are to make your gravy and plate your cranberry sauce. Not too shabby for $20, right? If you had a little extra time and money, you could absolutely dress this up a little more. I personally would add a ham steak for a little variety and make the mashed potatoes from scratch. You could also add some chopped apples, onions, or celery to the stuffing. That would give it a nice little crunch. All in all, I was really happy with how this turned out. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. What would you add to make this a little more special? I'd love to hear from you.